This is Micho Meow. I adopted Micho about 2 years ago when he was still a little baby, and I named him after my friend's cat. Micho grew up and became a beautiful cat. But Micho had an attitude problem. He was a little bit arrogant and didn't like to be pet. I did the numerology for his name, and I found out he didn't have the right personality number for his behavior. You see, cats have a very sensitive hearing, between 45 and 64,000 hertz. So, instead of calling him Micho Meow, I started calling him Micho Meow, putting more emphasis on the letter I of his name, Micho Meow. After 2 weeks, I noticed his behavior started changing. Well, the result is simple. Instead of me following Micho, Micho is the one who follows me. See the result for yourself. Is the name you give your pet important? Oh, yes.